Ray. You feel that? Eso es el bajo. Listen.
Low profile system dragging on a concrete trail. Mind full of magic, rolling up to a spot with no name. Just a vibration in the frame. Felt the bass in my bones, knew this was the game. Yeah.
Slipped through a steel door, felt the heat from the center of the floor. Met a gal with the neon painted on her skin. She gave me a look that said, where do we begin? Made me nervous the way her body moved to the sound, like she was part of the sacred ground. She took me in through the sweat and the haze, led me right into the heart of the maze. And she said, right in my ear, she said. She looked me deep right in my soul's desire. Her eyes were burning with an electric fire. She said, I feel your energy, I know your hunger. She leaned in close and asked, hear the energy peaks a new hormone, where the bass hits your chest like thunder, where the women glow and the men plunder. Can't you hear it, the riverless a hunter? You better jump, you better take, oh. Yeah. Do you come from a land down under? Like thunder, shoot up. Where the women glow and the men plunder. Can't you hear it? The ripple is a hunter. You better jump, you better take. Oh. Ooh. Leaning on a pillar in Berlin, a G from the block, 6'4", covered in ink and rock. He was watching the crowd with a veteran's gaze, lost in the rhythm of these hardcore days. I said, yo, Poppy, you speak in my language. He just grinned, didn't need to brandish any cred, you could feel it in the stands. This whole damn world was his dance. And he said, yeah, this is what he said. I come from a place of concrete and steel, where the beat is the only thing that's real, where the bearders flow and the men chunder. From the energy we're all put under. Energy kicks a new high, where the bass hits your chest like thunder. The fun crow and the men plunder. Can't you hear it? The echoes a hunter. You better jump, you better take cover. Yeah. Do you come from a land down under? Where the bass hits your chest like thunder. Más fuerte. Where the women glow and the men plunder. They plunder. Can't you hear it? The riverlet's a hunter. You better jump, you better take cover. Yeah.
Yo, check it, this ain't no hippie trail, no combi van trip. This the underground railroad on a digital glitch tip. This the hustle, the muscle, the industrial cathedral where the renegades run and the system is lethal. This ain't your daddy's new wave, pop, rock, and reggae. This the new rage, heavy, make the flow unsteady. We the new men at work, no 9 to 5. We building empires just to feel alive. From a den in Bombay to a rave in the States. We breaking down borders, we smashing the gates.
So when they ask you why you're trying to tempt me, you tell them my soul ain't empty. I come from the land of plenty. Living in a land down under. Can't you hear, can't you feel the thunder? The women know when the men plunder. You better take that everything. Living in a land down under. Can't you hear, can't you hear the thunder? Where the women glow when the men plunder. You better run, you better take cover. You better take cover. Living in a land down under. Can't you hear, can't you hear the thunder? Where the women glow and the men plunder. You better take cover. Living in a land down under. Can't you hear, can't you hear the thunder? Where the women glow and the men plunder. You better take cover. Living in a land down under, where the women glow and the men plunder. Cause the just queen is so wild.